Welcome once again to our WhatsApp interactive practical seminar on freelancing. This is brought to you by Afrylance, and we are happy that you're still here with us. This is the second video in this series, and in this video I will be taking you on how to create a professional freelance account and walking you through the steps to getting your first freelance job. Alright, so in this segment we'll be talking about how to sign up, we'll be talking about profile descriptions, images and gigs. We're talking about buyer's requests and proposals. I'll be showing you how to receive your money here in Nigeria in Naira. So let's get right into it. The first step is of course signing up to the account or to the platform of your choice. This will usually require you putting in your name, your email, describing your skills, a brief description of yourself. Some might ask for your address and location or your phone number. So in this tutorial, we'll be signing you up to Fiverr, which is a very popular community of freelancers. And for us to get started, I will actually need an incognito browser window. So we're starting by logging into fiverr.com. This takes us to their homepage where you see their offerings, you see a lot of things about them, and you also see their sign up button. Alright, now we're going to join. Okay, by clicking on join, I was taken to a pop-up which asks for my email. We have to start by using an email. We're going to use, in this case, is an email we set up just for this tutorial. It's now prompted to choose a username. In this case, I would advise using a generic username which can be used for a wide range of services instead of being stuck to a particular one. So let's go with easy services. And your password should be something you can easily remember so that you don't run into problems later on. And that's it. We are in. We have officially started our journey to being freelancers. Upon creating your account, the next thing you should do is to set up your profile and put up a profile picture so that people would start seeing you and ordering your services online. First, I need to activate my account. Before I can start using this account or start creating my profile, I have to first activate my account from my email. After clicking on the activation link which was sent to our email, we have successfully activated our Fiverr account. In the next video, we'll be showing you how to set up your profile descriptions, how to put up your profile image, and how to create your first gig. Stay tuned for more.